And today I will explain again about my API.cpp and OpenCL.cpp and how we will running. So everything is every code in here is the same. I'm still using Quickshot, except like I'm adding it and running a different array side. And so yeah, let's be just run the code and I will explain it later. So let me just run it. So the first thing I will be running it in two process. I will be making the time execution running two process first. So you can see in here everything is quite fast. And how about I'm using it running in a process. What will be happening? So you can see in here like every time exactly which is like is might be larger than when you are running every side like 10,000 or 50,000. It the when you are using the two process must be faster than the when you are running with the A process. And what's the reason? So the reason is because like we have like we have less array size, so that's the reason why when you only just like it will be more optimized when you use two process because like it will be like balance between like you will have like this working into this process and then this working into this process, and when everything is finished it will be finished at the same time. And when you are like making it like although that you in the other side like when you have like about the area size is small and then you making it like about a lot of process, it can still working but like it will waste more time because like you need to split everything. Yeah, you need to split every work into like about each process. In here in this case we got a process which will lead to about the API scatter, and API gather will also be increased. So when everything is finished you need to scatter everything and then gather it again, and that's the reason why I make the time SQL will be like about it will be like about more increase. And also like when you are splitting a lot of things into like just a small tasks, you need to be it might be got about the bottleneck because like something is finished faster than the other other process. So that's the reason why it will be like it's depend on the array size. So you can see the time execution and the process need to be optimized. So how about the array size with about um, 100 100,000? So the 100,000 you can see like it's got better. Why? Because like we got like a really large array size. So that's the reason why when you are splitting it into like each process. So when you got a large process, it will be much more optimized than you are running about the small process because like you will like give more tasks to the process when you just have two processes. So when you have eight processes with running like about 10,000 every side, so it would be like about make it more balanced. So everything will be make like everything we have like about at the same task, and the execution time will be like much more finished, like much more optimized than we are running two processes. So it depends the task. Like if you are just using about small array size, it's better for you to running it with about small process. But when you have like a really large array size, it's better for you to using about eight processes. Like using large process doesn't mean like your time execution will be better. It depends the task you deal with. And how about the OpenCL.cpp? So you already know this one is running with your GPUs. Like you can watch like about swap between each device, whether you have like about each CPU or GPU. And let me just run this one. It's also working with like about I'm also like comparing like when it running at the different areas high also. Okay, so OpenCL. So you can see in here everything will be much faster, and you also see like there is no you can see like about when you got like array side here, the larger the array side, the larger the time execution will be we have. And yes, so that's it my explanation. Thank you.